Would you like to say anything to Emma? No? You're tired.
So yep, remember I'm your uncle.
Uncle Jack.
Go to preschool together.
They could start kindergarten together. That's hilarious.
I'm gonna hear him at school saying, "That's my niece. Leave
Mhm.
her alone." He got a touch of red in his hair.
Yeah.
A little bit.
He does.
Strawberry blonde.
Yeah. Well, go for it, Jack. Have some gas.
Hello. Down here. Hello.
She's got a beautiful little girl. She loves being held.
Of her walk.
Aw.
Oh, you just kind of slide right like.
Tom.
I was gonna see if you walked and you just kept sliding.
Hey,
Is it,
Jack.
Mom? Can he stand up yet?
Put a little Velcro bow in there.